Okay, welcome back, guys. Finance Reboot Show. So, look, we just talked about the NVAX. Boom, how we took it on the chin. And this happens, like, we're human. We bleed too, like I always say. But what did we do? Did we just go roll up in the corner and cry like a baby and complain to mom and dad? No. We actually got right back on the horse and slapped it on the ass and said, yeah, let's go. So, let's tell them what we did and why.
Well, like you said, Samuel, I mean, it's not our first rodeo and we're big boys,
It's not our first rodeo?
No.
This was the first time we've done a trade?
No, it's not.
Shocking.
And, it's not the first time we've had a loser. And so we knew what to do. And we got right back on the horse. We saw an opportunity with the Fed meeting on Wednesday. There was a Board Bank of Japan meeting. There's a lot of volatility in the market.
Yep.
And we took advantage of it. We went right at it.
Yep.
We bought some QQQ calls. That we bought them out of the money.
What does that mean? Speaking layman terms, come on.
Yeah, we bought the 118 calls, and at that time the Qs were at 160.
Okay, so let's take a quick second and explain what the Qs is. So the stock symbol is QQQ. Yeah. Let's just tell them quickly.
But if you took our options course, you'd know what we're talking about.
You would.
But it's in the money, out of the money is the strike price. The strike price, if the price of the underlying issue is the same as the strike price of the option contract, you are in the money. So if the QQQs are traded at $118 and you buy an option contract for $118 strike, then you're in the money. Anything outside of that is outside the money, and then you have way outside the money, which is $3-4 outside of it. And that's, there's people that actually play those, you know.
Yep. So we did the Qs. Right after that, NVAX dropped 80 some odd percent. We're like, let's make that up in 1 week, shall we? Let's just do that. Yeah. So we did the Qs. I can't remember the day we did it, but we sold it on September 22. So a couple days ago, 3 days ago, by the time you see this. 3 days ago, guys, we did 50.78%.
That's fun to look at, isn't it?
It's so cool. I mean, look, it's kind of fun. I like the triple digits better. Come on, so go back in the cave. Go back in the cave. Get us a triple
Only
digit.
50%.
Yeah.
So.
Well, guys, we did 50.78% return in days. Yeah. Legit. All right there in the Option Profits Today course. I'm telling you, guys, this is real deal. So our NVAX guy, our NVAX guy got right back on the horse. Yeah. He bitched and moaned, there's nothing we could have done.
We
after
understand
hours.
It's an emotional time.
Totally emotional.
It's your money, but we taught him that, we get right back on the horse, and now he's feeling good again.
And it's all about feeling good.
Trading stocks is a lot like love. The best cure for a broken heart is a new love. So.
I didn't know where he was going with that. I was a little worried, to be honest. We might have to edit that out.
This is why they keep me in the basement.
That's why we keep them locked up. Right, exactly. So look, the Qs did us 50% in under a week. So imagine extrapolating that out over the next 3 weeks for the month. We'll make up that NVAX dinger and then some. So this is what we do. Like, look, guys, call to action is this. We got 2 slots left for our concierge service. You got to have $250,000 or more in order to get us. That's just the way it goes. So all you guys griping and moaning, we don't have $250,000. We get it. We were there at one point in our lives too.
You bet.
So that's why you're going to get the newsletter. Pavo's going to put it right here on the screen. How to get the newsletter, which is our picks, like our exact picks.
Same picks.
That all of our multi-million-dollar clients, get the same
picks. If you had
picks.
paid the $297 for the newsletter, you would have got the QQQ pick, and you probably would have paid for 5-10 years of newsletter.
That's a good point. Look, so the newsletter is $297 a month.
Yeah.
What?
That's cheap.
200. Yeah. Look, I hate to we won't say that word. That's a bad word.
That's why they keep you in the basement.
It's affordable. Yeah, go back to the cave, Patrick. So look, $300 a month for this newsletter. It's the exact same plays that all of our people get, right? You get them very timely. When it comes out from the team, boom, it gets blasted out to all of our newsletter subscribers. So you can do this at home and start swinging for the fences like we do. Like our 50.78%, our 50.56%. Our 107.62%, our GLD play that we did at 25.96 or something like that.
And if you'd taken the options profit class, you could have probably found these picks for us.
Yeah, exactly. So that's another little pat on our back. We did the Qs. I mean, it's exciting stuff. So listen, I want you to stick around because in this next segment, this is what I think the most important part of the course that we just put out, the Option Profits Today course. The most important module in there is something that I didn't have when I was starting out, which is that personal touch. Like if the team says buy this stock, okay, but some of you are going to be like, I'm going to go all in. Remember when you first got my portfolio? Remember that?
Yeah.
I was heavy in a stock called TVIX.
TVIX, yeah.
I was in TVIX, and I don't even want to tell you the numbers because it will make you vomit like I did multiple times. But the point is this. The point is that you got to know how to structure your portfolio in a way that you don't have to go all in to make huge profits. And more importantly, you want to know exactly how much to put into your picks so you don't jeopardize the growth of your portfolio. And this is something that I never, ever learned. And I promise you, 98% of you out there watching, you don't know this. So you're going to want to stay tuned for this next segment because
it's the most common way that people lose money is going too deep.
Yeah, absolutely. I won't say it. So this is a very important segment coming up. This is our biggest section in our course, Option Profits Today. And we're going to pull it out and just give it to you because we love you.
Yeah.
So we're going to fill up. We'll be right back. Stay tuned.